What's up? Your boy is back. Today we got something special today. And that is a new motherboard. The motherboard's from Asus and it's an X570 Pro. So I originally was gonna go for the B550A, but it's out of stock. And I'm impatient. So I just bought the X570. But enough talking, let's unbox this. Watch this, is heavy. Mother. All right, so now that we have the motherboard unboxed, it's time to get this baby in there. All right, so we have the PC off, and now it's time to unplug everything. Now that we have everything out, it's time to take off the glass panel and unscrew the motherboard. So basically, I'm gonna flip this on its back, so I'll have an easier time to unscrew all the screws. Oh yes, Pleo, you're so strong. So now that we have the motherboard in, we're going to be flipping the PC up, and then I'm going to be wiring everything and putting the GPU in last. Oh!
All of the bitches exotic, cars robotic, we go retarded. Hop in the foreign, don't need the top. When I get home, I need the top. Louis Vuitton when I leave the house. She got an ass and I grease her mouth. She wanna twerk when I leave the house. Gucci the belt and don't leave it out. Yeah, I got standards. Diamond near Flanders. Ooh, Kool-Aid jammer. Cookie pack on camera. Yeah, I got standards. Diamond.
I kind of took a long time. I'm kind of tired now, but hey, we got the new motherboard installed. Let's go. So yeah, nobody can roast me for my motherboard now, because everyone made fun that my motherboard was small and I was selling the freaking case. But now I got this beauty, and yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. If you guys want to check out my TikTok, it's gonna be in the link description below. Is that how you say it? And if you want to catch me in my streams, twitch.tv/PleoTF, and you know, where we just vibe, chill, play games. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.